Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the content. Is it good to have political competition? There should be competition among the candidates. Okay, every party give the ticket to their own candidate and they stand in the election. Every constituency political party give the ticket to their own party workers and main leader which they know about that they will won the election. Okay, and if there is no competition, then what is the fun of your election will become pointless. There will be no importance of the election if there is no competition. Okay, if only one party is rule, then we can say dictator rule is there. If there is other parties and they give the ticket to their own party, they stand in the election and those who won the those who won the election, they will become the MLA of a particular constituency. And you mark here one question: demerits of election. What are the demerits of election? An electoral if there is a political competition, on that time there maybe they adopt various methods to won the election. Demerits are there. Which one? An electoral competition has many demerits. One is it creates a sense of disunity and factionalism in every locality. Okay, and first one, an electoral competition has many demerits. It creates a sense of disunity, factionalism in every locality. Factions comes between the people. If there is a sense of disunity among them, automatically there will be factions. Okay, and second one, different political party and leader often level allegation against one another. During election time, you have maybe listened or seen that how one party blame to other party and put the allegation on other. And third one, parties and candidate often use dirty trick to win election. Always it's happen in Indian elections, and some people say that you mark one by one step here, and some people say that this pressure to win election fight does not allow sensible long-term policies to be formulated. It means that everyone have the pressure to win the election, and when they have the pressure on that time, they adopt dirty tricks to win the election. Okay, on long time policies to be formulated does not, then when pressure is going on that time, long term policies which they are going to frame all are sensible and they are not able to implement the policies there. And some good people, this one is a dirty game. You know about that. Politics is a very dirty game, and it is not easy for the honest person. If honest person is wish to serve the country, but they are not want to enter in politics, because it is a very dirty game and unhealthy and dirty tricks they won and blame to other. They give abuses to other parties member, and this is not liked by a honest person, those who want to serve but they do not enter in this arena. Okay, these are the demerits of your elections which we are going to conduct. And our constitution maker aware of these problem. Free and fair competition should be there. Select our future. And one student asked from me that get rid of. What is the meaning of get rid of? If we are not satisfied the government, we are not satisfied chosen representative, and next time we will get rid of, ki badla lenge, next time we will not give the chance to particular representative. Okay, and because this system works better in the long run. If there is a competition, if someone is won the election, after that they make a candidate and candidate of a particular party and give the chance to a ministry also, and what is good for the people are motivated only by the desire to serve them. Political competition is not necessary in such idle world. But that is not what happen in real life. Political leaders all over the world, like all professionals, are motivated by the desire to advance their political careers. They want to remain in the power and get power and position for themselves. In political, in election, every leader, those who have the ticket of a particular party, they want to win the election and they want to come in the power. They want to remain in the power. Sometimes they, if they are a minister, if next tenure there will be a election, on that time they also try ki if I am the chief minister of this particular state, next time I will also. If they were not if they are not able to win the election next time, on that time you see the condition of the particular candidate. Those who have the wish to become the minister, become the those who have to win the election, if they are fail, they are not able to got success, on that time they feel sad, because their department, their ministry, all are snatched by a winner candidate. Okay. Beside, even when they wish to serve the people, they may not know what is required to do so. What ideas may not match what the people really want. When they won the election and want to serve, they don't know about that, what are the wishes of the people and how I will do the work. Okay. And other and more realistic way is to set up a system where political leaders are rewarded. Ki those who are doing well, performing well, ki they should be awarded, they should be rewarded, and those who are not doing well, they should be punished for not doing so. Okay. Take the example of Modi government. Last tenure and this tenure also, when the cabinet minister and state ministers were not doing well, on that time their department was snatched by Modi, your prime minister, and give to those who are performing well. Okay, this one is a good thing. If they are not doing well, then they will be seatless. Seatless means कि ministry snatched by the particular party. Who decide this reward or punishment? कि simple question is there. People also. We people give the vote, elect the representative. If they are not doing work according to the wish of people, okay, they are not working for the betterment of the people, for the welfare of the people, next election we will not give the chance to a particular leader. And regular election competition should be there. They know that if they always try to do the work of the people, कि if we are not doing, next time people will not give the chance to us.